Guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I'm coming on to do a quick tip for weeding glitter vinyl or holographic vinyl, and I want to show you how I do it. Obviously, I have my weeding tool. I have my scraper, a little dirty because it gets used a lot. I have some Cricut transfer tape, and I have a piece of holographic vinyl that has been cut, even though you can't see it at all. I can't see it unless I turn it a certain way. And then I have my embossing tool here that comes from EK Success, and basically what's in here is talcum powder or baby powder. And what I'm going to do is rub this, and I'm just going to take it off, the little brush tip off, and just pour a bunch of this on there. It makes a little mess. It doesn't hurt the vinyl whatsoever, and then it wipes off very easily. So now when I rub this all over with my fingertips, I'm able to see my lettering, or what I've cut out. And then I'll bring it up closer to the camera in just a minute so you can see it too. So there's no need, because I believe with a light box this type of vinyl won't show through. I don't know, I don't use a light box, never have, and do that. So this shows all of my cut lines and exactly where I need to weed. And I don't know if you can make out any of those letters or not. You can see an E here and an A. There's an O and an N. And if you come on down, if you move this around a little more, because I put a little more powder on there than I really needed, you can see an S and a T and an A and a T. So what I'm going to do is weed this all out. And I'm not going to show you how I weed. Everybody knows how to weed. I'm just showing you a quick tip on how to see your cut lines when you're using these difficult vinyls. And then once I get it weeded out and placed on my vinyl holder, I'll show it to you. And what I use for a vinyl holder is a blueprint holder. So, and my holographic vinyl here is probably about a year old, so it'll be a little more difficult to weed just because of the age, because vinyl does go bad. It does have a shelf life. So just be aware of that when you're having frustrations with vinyl. It may be because it's too old and you need to use it fairly quickly. So let me get this weeded and I will be right back. Okay, I got it all weeded, and my vinyl wasn't too old. It was only slightly difficult because it was old. And now I am going, and I realized that I cut my transfer paper a little too small, but that's okay. I'm going to make it work still. So I'm going to lay it down on here. Because I'm not getting a lot of the C, but that's okay. And I'm using my little spatula thing here to rub it onto my transfer paper. I didn't get part of my in, and we're just going to hope that that works. So don't cut your transfer tape too small. And as you can see, you can read it very well now. Creation Station is what it says, obviously. So the powder works beautifully, just so you know. It works absolutely beautifully. And sometimes you got to rub hard, and I also do it from the back a couple times too. But because my vinyl is old, it's going to have a harder time attaching to my contact paper as well, or my transfer tape, and sometimes that's all you got to do is bend it up like so, press down, and then it will attach. And that's part of my end there that's not attached. So let me get this pulled off, and I'll put it over on my vinyl storage, and I'll show you that. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it applied to my HTV holder, which is heat transfer vinyl, and it looks pretty good. And you can see I also added a little hanging star there too that I had cut out. Didn't show that. There was no need. That wasn't what the video was about. So there is my vinyl holder and wrapping paper, and it says Creation Station. So I like it, and I think it looks really cool. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and give it a try and see that it works for you too. Take care, guys. Cheers.